Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo almost a Techiman hene e de futu amaman penida mahama awomo echere se. Penida da mahama campaign no ye no. Ohu doma e ma na wonfa dom no anaso ondi dom na chi sebio enka nsem ho. Ebusuafo wanuma because penida da mahama so ohu doma na ebo sha kese ba nsema kese a on TV do hu bi da na oka Techiman hena etwene se papa uhu doma yesterday no work member of him na dom ni be civil I say nsema abeka no be kwatia at the end of the day enti nsema o de etija
for watching and you feel very few nipa na agi ama beko school anopa no wo si wonya anopa wona na anwumre on betena ase nton wa cha ankopema anopa na ne ma be dan ko school. How possible can that be? It is natural phenomenon. Oh, no, they are sitting on 24-hour economy. No, a natural phenomenon. Say about 80% stores. Yeah, too. Omo maka a production ones now. It is a warehouses. No more a produce. Oh, mini about good evening. A produce no man. Asa and do by catching any as a quay. But also by on to say buses be 24 hours in Krantie. A bar who might train no be their crantage na kwan ho na wo bus no be gina sa train. You see, a dream pa a friend a dream near men or man for beyond. I dem we free ni yam na pufum ye kama minkebi. Nti Techiman hene catcher and say, Oko to crowd na money move as when she says a boshe dear wintiming utunufo. And these are people on person be do so. I mean, my drink crowd, mentia say why still Ghana for binum that you drink of who emoji. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Daroma be how we train from pa. Na me de me dekra wo ni innovation or dey ban say wa Ghana card bia no uko ye passport ye hia information bia Ghana card number simple because every information needed for acquisition of passport is embedded in the Ghana card. Pay wait. Just walk off a pen, ne paper, actual kujinaho, na goro boy see juiska, and then you just have to Ghana pass who log it in. You give your information. That what you usika scan kwa bango, and never touch and go. Your bus is a whole dwa. Metro mass transport bus idea be gum to make transport easy and affordable. Ojo card na usika guso. Ufo mate be anyone waje usika na ufwa. And one say ode akano kwen. No akwatana say who see for man no asan de aka automatically baby a one nantia could do no na tie few card no so and I was so happy seeing people of Bekwai obia with the card your community water supply areas are in so timi we will be a na buy na your community water supply wo ukita card okwai no answer dia shim it is prepaid queen nene uzika was now the boom so now and the people are very happy mum pay we na mu penkantia ton. And the na me to aso no me catch us say John Dramani Mahama revenge na kumamu de magana for mamu man sa chance no because our 1 million vote no te so amotuti an ahina pepem ne emu pata bribri na e ha na ontimi enye stable no enti no be kasa bia se bia ntonsu mo kasa wi a na wanseness so kon hweba umia kasa no hwe atitiri ni ntini ni ntwuru a omo kasa ho na hwe se John Mahama be kasa people talk about it chere say ba ko dia dream that chia dream visionary eyes and foresight and akasa and ba ko so de mogu enti omo ya mpanfo no we die enti nanado and Baumia almost what Bashi said there be before digitalization no be effective no and was say about 80% of Ghanaians are illiterate and the it is idea you who say education the key. If education is the key and the mass cannot afford it, let us make it affordable. Yes, digitalization no be kwa nana semate yen so free SHS no going through a lot, but still the best ever. I'm a over millions Ghanaian youth I go through free SHS. And then you can digitalization the better or say download the way kwaha. It doesn't take time for them to understand. It doesn't take time for them to understand. And then propagate that good news to their oldies who one way or the other cannot read or write. And it's also a system MPP Abana share way back from 2000. And almost share it. Let us feed the people with education. Let us educate the people. Let us get them enriched. More ankasan fi omo pem any reasonable. Na omo intimi nye bibi. And omo de ba ebedu mahama so. Or say I'm not a magician. If the education system in Ghana is only to produce students dependent on the government, who am I? Who am I? Who am I to change it? I cannot change it. And we jan ho. Na do ni ba umia ba no mo say there be o man ye dia. Mumia nwene daache enye ne. Mumia nwene daache enye se bi mama nkra dross ro. Mumia nwene daache ema enkoda no. Di free SHS aba. Say obia ni bi. Enti wa hu say obia ne community bia no atwa video ni dia beto ho. O MPP for mo obia pa wo, but ono ahwe the impuntu e koso wo ni area enen trend is for atwa na ene shi no adane blogger by force. Ono adane no atwa no dia beto video ni. Video no enie. In my next video, obia provoke me and I'm going to list number of industries, factories, and nanado ebaye wababi biebie. I've done that video, but I'll do it again. Because baby you do know, ya propaganda for no ebe bosulia. Propaganda for no ebe bosulia. And I'll do that video again. And I think I have to be very active on this page to propagate the good news, the very good work of the MPP. Because a jumano a dos so ma betra ha untimi nka go ene here goro boy, you can sit at the comfort of your home. Pa wo fa phone na de obeya ni say wo request for baby direct, you pay the money, it goes direct to the government. And in this case, we can hold the government responsible. But obereka tobu to omo mutiti wi obeji fitiano pa kopim 8 ni nyina ye ne dia from 8 to 10 no asachim to the farmer ban. Enti enye nwanwa si ye every ho contact sika sesu sikam na med no hwe me bayare at the hospital ni ese me fa 10,000 Ghana cedis embra na me public officer me to office na mu disika 11,000 abeshe me nsem I won't be a fool say me ka say me hwa ma me ba na wu na sika ne na ho me fa dia kohwe me ba no